Hi guys, I am so excited. So I have the March melt box here, and March is my birthday, and so I wanted to do a birthday box. So this is the birthday box. So I'm going to go over all of the scents after, but there's 3 scents just like last month. There's the bag, but this time it's very much Alice in Wonderland themed, and you can see on the bag here that it is like a seed packet. It's got the wildflower seed packet since 1951. It says Wonderland, Golden Afternoon Seed Company, and then it's got the singing flowers in the middle. It's super, super cute. It's another one of those like grocery type bags, kind of like a light canvas, really good for throwing your like planner stuff in. So let me put that off to the side, and then we'll go over the stickers. So the sticker pack, this time I added a little bit more stickers because, you know, sticker shop, added more stickers. So let me go through what we have here. So this time I added the mini kit. So here's the mini kit. There's that page, and then your washi. And I changed up the mini kit a little bit to add, I took a couple things out and then I added some of the check boxes in here so that it's a little bit more of a complete mini kit. So there's a couple more check boxes in here, but you still have all the core elements. You're just missing like one little doodle box here and then a couple of the headers, but it is, I think, a little bit more functional. So there's a full mini kit. There's also the journaling kit. If I could get it to open. It's a 2-page journaling kit. And this is all exclusive art from my shop. So there's that. Then we have your wax burning trackers, match the colors of the kit. Then there's a little like Wonderland. These are all kiss cut like this. So you can put them on your in your planner somewhere. So just little quote boxes with all the Wonderland stuff, and then the sticker pack. So in this sticker pack, we have, I can get it open. Okay, so let's pull these guys out. So there's your sticker pack, and then inside we've got a very like punk type Alice, which is a nice big sticker. So this will fit really nicely on. I plan on using it on my Hoponichi on the cover, but how stinking cute is that? Then you've got that same thing that's on your bag, but in sticker. And these all have the holo. This is a non-holo, but it's a big sticker, so you could put this again. It's the coffee cups with the Alice on it. I just thought it was really cute, and so I added it in kind of last minute. Then you've got some more of the wax melts that you can use in your planner. You've got this really cute cake. Then you've got a couple of the singing flowers. Another one of the wax melters, and then the presents. So there's the sticker pack. Get that off to the side, and then we'll go through the melts. So this month we have 3 melts, and these are, I didn't want to do birthday themed melts because, let me bring you in just a little bit, because I don't like the smell of birthday cake, and it's my birthday. So I chose scents that I wanted because, and I know I promised next month, if I do another melt box next month, I want to do one every month, but if people start like not wanting them, then I'll stop doing it. But next month I do have a floral theme. So there's going to be some floral scents in here, and I've already tested them and they smell amazing. So bear with me on the food type scents because this is like my favorite kinds of smells. And so I wanted to put them in my birthday box. So I'm going to start off with the Cranberry Apple Marmalade. So this one smells exactly like it sounds. It's got a cranberry smell. It's got an apple smell. It's got like spices, a very fruity scent. And I use the same artwork on the top. And then on the inside, it's just a nice, easy, like cranberry-ish color with the frosting on the top. I overfilled this one a little bit, so it touched the top, but there you go. And then the blueberry cobbler, oh my gosh. So at first when I heard this one, because I love blueberry cobbler eating it wise, but I wasn't sure how it would come out as a smell, so I was a little bit worried. But honestly, it smells like blueberry cobbler. It's like got a real yummy blueberry smell, like a sugary blueberry. And then, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I just want to eat it. And then it's got like a graham cracker type smell in there. So, oh, it smells so good. I can't, I'm terrible at explaining, and I apologize. So that's the blueberry cobbler. And then this one is the pumpkin caramel crunch. And this one is got like kind of a sweet, nutty maple pumpkin caramel scent. And it's got the sugar on top. Oh my God, it smells so good. It's so good. It's more of a fall scent, but I'm very much a pumpkin girl, so I love pumpkin. So that is what is in this month's wax melt box. If this does really well and people want them, let me back you back out a little bit, and you know, people like them or whatnot and they sell out, I will see about doing a second run, but what's up there is probably what's gonna be up there. I just want to say, because I made more this time than I did last time, so hopefully I won't need to make a second run, but if it runs out quick and people are still looking for it, just message me if it's out and you want it, and then I will do a second run of it. So that is everything that comes in this month's wax melt box. I'm still waiting on the one big item that I ordered. It's being shipped to me. It takes a really long time to get here, but there are going to be mini wax burners that will be a part of the box. If it happens to show up in like the next few days, I will adjust this to add the mini wax burner box melts to it, because it, warmers, sorry, I can't talk right now, to it, because I really, really wanted it for this box. It was supposed to be a part of the March box, but it still says it's in transit. So I have no idea when it's going to come. It doesn't even give me a date. So if for some reason it shows up, I will add the mini warmers to this box and adjust it accordingly. If not, then this is what's going to be in the March melt box. So I hope you guys really like this. Leave me some comments down below if you got one last month. And if you have any comments, concerns, anything that you want me to change up, anything that you like, don't like, I would really love to hear about it. I haven't really heard much. Sold out 2 whole runs of last month, and I haven't really heard much other than my PR girls love it. But my PR girls love me, so I don't think that they would tell me anything like really bad. And I would like to hear from you guys. I really want to know what you think of these, how the smells are, how it's, you know, what the throw is like, everything. So if you can, leave me a comment down below if you've gotten one before, and then just let me know what you think. So anyway, you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you again next time. Bye.